everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys a small Dollar Tree. I need to stop going to the Dollar Tree because I've been going crazy lately. It's because I'm starting to do some DIYs and I wanted to finish my project. Now, if you guys watched my last Dollar Tree haul, you realize I forgot some items. So I went to a Dollar Tree to get the rest of the stuff, and my husband was with me, and they didn't have everything that I wanted. So I had to go to another Dollar Tree today. But I'm pretty excited I did because they did have something that I was looking for and I wanted to get. But yeah, nothing really great in this haul, but I did get some good items, and I'm here to share with you guys what I got with Miss Charlotte, my little shopping buddy. Yes. So one thing I was super excited to find is this little like metal wreath. It's called a witch's hat wreath form. Now I like the ones that I made before in the past, but I thought I'm gonna make something with this or just keep it in case I find something I want to do with it. I was thinking maybe I could save it for Christmas or something like that, and I just bopped myself in the head. But I thought this would be kind of cool to kind of just make something out of this. But I did get two of them. Ben took one of them when I got home, so I don't know what he did with it. But I did get one. I got two of those just so I could have them. They are kind of big, so in case you guys need to do that. Now I did go crazy over the tubing again. One store I needed two of these, so I ended up getting more of the tubing because I needed 4 of each color. So I'm hoping to work on those DIYs later this week. But I got like a ton of them. So yeah, I got more. So you guys will have to stay tuned. I'm losing stuff. You guys will have to stay tuned to see what I make with those. You guys have an idea. I'm gonna make a wreath, but I needed some to make some wreaths with them. So yeah, Miss Charlotte. I'm just getting drool all over my hands, and then I got another one that I forgot to add. So there's that. And then while the husband was with me, we went to, we always look for movies. Anytime I'm at the Dollar Tree, I always look for movies because you never know what you're going to find. And we ended up finding the best of Aquanauts. Now, when Ben was born, we watched Aquanauts like crazy. It was on Netflix. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're like, okay, I want to watch something, but I want something that's like kid-friendly in the background. And we do watch Aquanauts from time to time. But I thought this was kind of good, and they wanted $6.99 for this, and we got this for $1. And there's 10 episodes in here, so I was pretty excited to find Aquanauts. I don't even think they even make Aquanauts. Sorry, my hair is just in the way for her, and she just loves eating my hair, and I'm shedding like crazy, and I'm so sick of it. She's hungry too. But yeah, so I ended up getting Aquanauts, and then my husband found Porky's. Now, we haven't seen Porky's in a long time. Sorry, you guys. But yeah, so we found Porky's. And we don't have this movie, so I thought for $1 we'll totally get it. So, got the movie Porky's. Hey, can you just be quiet? She's gonna start being noisy now. I have to stop having her in my videos because she's just hungry. She's like, Mom, I want that milk. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Miss Charlotte's in my lap drinking a bottle because it was like she needs that milk and she wants that milk now. So I'm just like, okay. So I ended up getting just like a little tape thing because I'm sending a package. I don't like the way this tape is towards like the regular brand name. It was too slippery. I had to waste like a good chunk of it before I got like a good piece. But I'm like, it'll do what it does. It's only $1, so ended up getting that. Husband picked out, oh, you guys, it's really sad. I have chunks of my hair in the Dollar Tree bag. I'm so sick of shedding. But my husband picked out some rice crackers, snack mix. I think we've had something like this before. But I'm like, you know what? If you want some, go for it. For $1, we got that. And then he also picked out Munch Right wasabi peas, lightly dusted with sea salt. I'm not into wasabi, but if he wants to eat them, go for it. So we got those items. One thing I was super excited for, the Dollar Tree that we went to hardly ever has any good things. Like, they just have your basic stuff. It's in a small town. But one thing I was super excited to find were these Barbies. Now, they were Barbie babies. Now, this is called Barbie Skipper Babysitters Inc. So these are just little babies, and I thought these were kind of cute. I've actually kept all of my Barbies for Charlotte to play with, and I have them, but I don't have any babies. I know it's weird from what I remember. It's been 20 years since I played with Barbies, but I ended up getting 2 of them because I thought those would be kind of cool when Charlotte gets a little bit older. I mean, this says +3, so it's like right around the age when she might be interested in playing with Barbies. So I got 2 different dolls, you know, for her to play with, and it comes with like a little blankie and a bottle. So I thought that'd be super cute for something to give her in the future for a gift. And then Benjamin really wanted these, and I'm like, that's fine, because these are gonna go for to his sister in the future. I saw this at another Dollar Tree and I never got it, but I'm glad I did. But these are the Toy Story 4 outfits. I love this. This is just like a little shirt for Barbie with all the characters. This is probably my favorite outfit. And then Benjamin really wanted this one. I'm not a big fan of it, but he kind of ripped it open. But it is Forky and Woody, and it's kind of like a little sketch. So Miss Charlotte will be getting those in the future with the Barbie stuff. So we got that. My husband's like, oh, I want this. We got a lighter. Even though we have a ton of lighters at our house, you guys. Like a couple years ago, I got some really good coupons on lighters, and I just bought lighters after lighters after lighters after lighters. So we will be with lighters forever. But he ended up wanting this one. He thought it was kind of cool, so we ended up getting that one. And then I ended up just getting these maple leaves. I thought I'm going to do something with a DIY that I want to do. So, there's 50 in here. It does not feel like there's 50, but I'm like, okay, if there's 50 in here, that is kind of cool. But that was my Dollar Tree haul. Nothing really cool. I mean, nothing really stood out. I was pretty excited to find this wire wreath. I'm in a couple different wreath groups, and people are like, I'm taking all of them. And I'm like, that's fine. If you guys want to take all of them, that's fine. But I'm just glad I got, like, the 2. So I can just kind of, you know, work with stuff that I want to work with. But again, I want to say thank you guys for watching this Dollar Tree haul. Sorry it wasn't super exciting, but I'm excited to see the items that I got. Definitely stay tuned for the, definitely stay tuned towards the DIYs that I'm going to do. And like I said, I mentioned my last Dollar Tree video, I will be doing a lot of the same haul, DIYs, because people look for specific videos. So again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all later, and give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and goodbye.